Welcome back to Growing Mindset. Have you ever wondered why so many people, despite being smart, hardworking, and earning a decent income, still struggle financially? It's not because they're lazy or careless. It's because they're caught in what's called the middle-class trap. In today's video, we're going to break this down step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly what this trap is, how it works, and most importantly, how to escape it to start building real wealth. So, grab a coffee, settle in, and let's get started. What is the middle-class trap? The middle-class trap is a cycle that keeps people living paycheck to paycheck, no matter how much they earn. It happens when expenses rise with income. People earn more, so they spend more. Debt becomes a lifestyle. Credit cards, car loans, and mortgages pile up. Savings and investments take a back seat. Most of the money goes to bills and unnecessary spending instead of wealth-building activities. Example, a family earns $75,000 a year, but spends $74,000 on housing, car payments, dining out, and other recurring expenses. They have no room left for savings or investments. Why do smart people fall for it? Even highly educated or financially aware people can fall into this trap. Here's why. Lifestyle inflation. As people make more money, they upgrade their lifestyle instead of saving or investing. For example, moving to a bigger house or leasing a luxury car. Cultural expectations. Society often pushes people to look successful, which means buying expensive things to appear wealthy rather than actually building wealth. Lack of financial education. Even smart people sometimes don't understand how to manage money effectively, and schools rarely teach personal finance. Relying on traditional advice like buy a house, save 10% of your income, and you'll be fine, is outdated in today's economy. The 5 warning signs you're in the trap. You're living paycheck to paycheck. No matter how much you earn, your money disappears by the end of the month. You rely on credit cards for emergencies. If an unexpected expense pops up, you don't have cash to cover it. You have no investment strategy. Your money isn't working for you because it's tied up in expenses. You're focused on earning more instead of keeping more. Making more money doesn't help if you spend it all. You're not building assets. Most of your money goes to liabilities like cars or gadgets instead of appreciating assets like stocks, real estate, or businesses. How to escape the middle-class trap. Now that you know the problem, let's talk about solutions. Live below your means. Stop upgrading your lifestyle every time your income increases. Stick to a budget that allows you to save and invest consistently. Action step. Identify one expense you can cut this month and redirect that money to savings or investments. Prioritize saving and investing. Treat your savings like a start with 10-20% of your income and grow from there. Example, if you earn $5,000 a month, aim to save at least $500. Avoid lifestyle debt. Only use credit for necessities and pay off your balance in full every month. Create a debt repayment plan if you're already in debt. Build multiple income streams. Don't rely solely on your 9-to-5 job. Explore side hustles, freelance work, or investments. Example, start a small online business or invest in dividend-paying stocks. Focus on building assets. Invest in things that grow in value over time, like stocks and ETFs, real estate, index funds. Tip, automate your investments so you don't forget or skip them. Educate yourself about money. Knowledge is power. Read books, watch videos, or take courses on personal finance. Books The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Case study, John's journey out of the trap. Let's look at John, a 35-year-old software engineer earning $90,000 a year. He was living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in car loans and credit card debt. Step 1. John cut unnecessary expenses like eating out daily, saving $500 a month. Step 2. He sold his luxury car and bought a used one, cutting his monthly payment in half. Step 3. John started investing $1,000 a month in index funds and built an emergency fund. Result: within 3 years, John paid off his debt, built a 6-figure investment portfolio, and started living stress-free. Escaping the middle-class trap isn't just about money, it's about freedom. When you're not constantly worrying about bills, you can spend more time with family, pursue passions and hobbies, retire earlier than you thought possible. Breaking free from the middle-class trap takes effort, but it's entirely possible with the right mindset and strategy. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and grow.